Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss the fact that our EC students paid less than CS students. So no, EC students are paid same as that of CS and IT students. If you are applying for a particular job post like in Infosys, TCS, IBM and you are eligible for that job, then all you need to do is qualify the written test and interview, and your salary will be same as that of CS and IT students. But being an EC student, if you are aiming for high package like 7 to 15 lakhs in IT company, then it can be a difficult task. EC students are taught basic languages like C and basics of Python, not more than that. So even in colleges, teacher focus more on completing syllabus rather than training students on programming languages. So if you are aiming for high package, then you need to start competitive programming practice if you are going for EC. So competitive programming practice will start when you will start learning DSA, that is data structure and algorithm. So CS students have data structure as their subject and they practice problem based on data structure on LeetCode, HackerRank, Codeforces and so on. These are some coding platforms where you can improve your programming skills and enhance your knowledge. So according to me, if you are looking to build a career in IT company, then you should go for CS as your branch. Now, even as EC student, you can go for high package, but it will require lot more of your effort. Now for basic packages, EC students need not to worry because they can easily crack these basic packages. You just have to focus more on quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability and any basic programming languages in any language of your choice. So it is very easy to crack like basic package for EC students. And for high packages, guys, start preparing DSA. It is very important, and also learn basic of SQL and DBMS because in interview they ask about DBMS and SQL queries. So you need to start preparing right now if you are in second year or third year of EC. So start preparing now. So this is the point where EC students lack from CS students and their salary varies because you can't aim for high package if you don't have practice of DSA, and it requires a lot of dedication and hard work if you are aiming for high package even for CS students. So you need to start prepare now if you are EC student and aim for high package. So guys, at the end I would say that packages and salary is same as that of CS students. It totally depends upon your skills. If you have skills, company will hire you definitely and give you same salary as CS students. So you don't lack anywhere. It's just that you need to develop more skills and more dedication towards this work. Thank you guys.